The easiest spaghetti casserole actually tastes like leftover spaghetti on the first day, and it's a one-pan dinner. In a 9x13 baking dish, break 8 ounces of uncooked spaghetti in half and spread it on the bottom. Add 3 cups of cooked meat, beans, or sliced kielbasa, 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes with the juice, 1 24-ounce jar of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Stir gently so the noodles are coated but still stay on the bottom. Tuck in a cup of shredded mozzarella and pour in 2 cups of beef stock. Give it another little stir or a shake to make sure the pasta is fully submerged in the liquid. Cover the dish tightly with 2 layers of foil so no steam can escape. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the pasta is tender, about 50 minutes, 50, not 15. It just bakes away, no boiling water, no babysitting the stove. Remove the foil and sprinkle on another cup of mozzarella and half a cup of parmesan. Bake uncovered just until the cheese melts, about 5 minutes, but don't serve it right away. The sauce is too liquidy, see? Let it rest uncovered for 15 minutes so it thickens and settles. Look at that. It'll still be hot and gooey and delicious, and now you can eat, and then after, there's only one dish to wash. Get more taste easy recipes at cookthestory.com.